what words would you use? A keyword or two that describes, that best summarizes your city.
ครับ กราบสวัสดีท่านผู้นำท่านผู้บริหารระดับสูง
First of all, many thanks. Well, let me give you a brief introduction to Thailand. We are situated in the southern part of Thailand.
เป็นจังหวัดที่อยู่ทางภาคใต้ของประเทศไทยนะครับ
We are actually a city of 100 islands. We have 19 counties.
จังหวัดสุราษฎร์ธานีมีอำเภอทั้งหมดอยู่19
And we have very, very strong strength in tourism. We have 2 airports. The first one is Surat Thani Airport, and the second one is situated on an island. So with that, we see we have very convenient transport. Also, we have a well-developed railway and highway network. So we do welcome tourists to visit us, and we also welcome tourist travelers to come to our islands. We offer very delicious food. The air is really good. Our people there are friendly and nice. So if you come to us, you actually are visiting Guilin in Thailand. And for today's event, I thank leaders from Nanning for their invitation. It is my hope that in the future we can have more collaboration in developing tourism. I think my city is a city of kindness.